Bristol Community College, Mathematics with Dan Avedikian, Math 060, Topics in Developmental Mathematics, Section 2.1, Problem 26. This is Section 2.1, Problem 26. It says convert the mixed number 6 2/5 to an improper fraction. So in other words, we want a fraction that has a numerator that's larger than the denominator. That's improper fraction. So to make that conversion, we start with a mixed number, right? Mixed number is a number and a fraction, and we multiply the denominator of the fraction times the whole number in front. So that's a multiply. So that'll be 6 times 5 is 30. So I take that result of 30 and I add it to the numerator of the mixed number. Add, and that will be the 30 that I got as a result, plus 2 more, the numerator that I had, which is 32. So my new numerator is 32 for my improper fraction, and the denominator stays the same. The denominator in the mixed number was 5, so the denominator in the improper fraction will still be 5. So that's telling me that 6 2/5 is equivalent to 32/5.